And here's another fine recipe from my Pop It in the Toaster Oven cookbook, which you can buy anywhere. And this is for blueberry cookies. First, I'm going to preheat my toaster oven to 400 degrees. A tablespoon of softened butter or margarine, third of a cup of sugar, 1 egg, a couple pinches of salt, mixing well. A cup and a quarter of unbleached flour, a teaspoon of baking powder. Mix well. The batter will be a little crumbly. Now I'm adding a cup and a half of blueberries. You can also use a 10-ounce package of frozen blueberries. Depending on how juicy the berries are that you're adding, you just want to add a little water to hold the batter together. This should be about the consistency of the batter. Dropping by teaspoonfuls on my oiled toaster oven baking sheet. Popping the blueberry cookies into the toaster oven. I'm going to set the timer for 10 minutes. I found that 15 minutes was better for getting these very juicy cookies a nice golden brown. Now, what I say in my cookbook, Pop It in the Toaster Oven, is that the blueberries remain juicy, and they do, so that biting into one of these is pure heaven. And it is.